As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how crucial accurate financial tracking is for the success of any endeavor. Whether you're managing a small team delivering a website or overseeing a large-scale construction project, understanding the flow of money is paramount. This brings us to a fundamental accounting principle: double-entry bookkeeping. And for many project managers and business owners, the question arises, is Zoho Books truly a double-entry accounting system? The short and direct answer is a resounding yes. Zoho Books is built upon the foundation of double-entry bookkeeping, a robust and time-tested method for ensuring the accuracy and completeness of your financial records. However, simply stating this doesn't truly illuminate why this matters for your project management efforts or how Zoho Books effectively implements this principle. So, let's delve deeper, breaking down the intricacies of double-entry bookkeeping and exploring how Zoho Books empowers you to manage your project finances with clarity and control. Understanding the cornerstone: double-entry bookkeeping. At its core, double-entry bookkeeping is an accounting system that requires every financial transaction to be recorded in at least two different accounts. This fundamental principle operates on the accounting equation. 1. www.studocu.com. www.studocu.com. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Think of it as a balancing act. For every debit, an increase in assets or a decrease in liabilities or equity recorded in one account, there must be a corresponding credit, a decrease in assets or an increase in liabilities or equity in another account. This double entry ensures that the accounting equation always remains in balance, providing a built-in mechanism for error detection and a comprehensive view of your financial position. Let's illustrate this with a simple project-related example. Imagine your project receives a payment of $1,000 from a client for completed work. In a double-entry system, this transaction wouldn't just be recorded as an increase in your bank account. Instead, it would be recorded as debit, $1,000 increase in your bank account, an asset account. Credit, $1,000 increase in your service revenue, an equity account. As it increases your retained earnings, this seemingly simple entry provides more information than a single entry system. It not only shows you have more money in the bank, but also clearly identifies the source of that increase, revenue generated from your services. Why double entry matters for project management. For project managers, the benefits of a double-entry system like the one implemented in Zoho Books are significant. Enhanced accuracy. The inherent balancing mechanism of double-entry bookkeeping significantly reduces the risk of errors. If debits don't equal credits, it immediately signals a discrepancy that needs investigation. This is crucial for maintaining reliable financial data for your projects. Comprehensive financial picture. Double entry provides a holistic view of your project's financial health. You can track not just income and expenses, but also assets, what your project owns, like equipment or receivables, liabilities, what your project owes, like supplier invoices, and equity, the net worth of your project. This comprehensive view is essential for informed decision-making. Detailed reporting. Because every transaction is recorded with corresponding debits and credits, you can generate detailed and insightful financial reports. This includes profit and loss, income statement, shows your project's revenues, expenses, and ultimately, its profitability over a specific period. Balance sheet provides a snapshot of your project's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash both into and out of your project, highlighting its liquidity. Improved auditability. The clear and traceable nature of double entry makes it easier to audit your financial records, whether internally or externally. This is vital for compliance and stakeholder trust. Better financial analysis. With detailed and accurate data, you can perform more sophisticated financial analysis for your projects. This includes calculating profitability margins, tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, and forecasting future financial performance. This empowers you to make proactive adjustments to keep your projects on track financially. Zoho Books, harnessing the power of double entry for project success. Zoho Books seamlessly integrates the principles of double entry bookkeeping into its user-friendly platform, making it accessible even for those without a deep accounting background. Here's how it achieves this. Automated double entries. You don't need to manually decide which accounts to debit and credit for every transaction. When you record an invoice, a payment, an expense, or any other financial activity within Zoho Books, the system automatically creates the corresponding double entries in the relevant accounts behind the scenes. This simplifies the process significantly while ensuring accuracy. Predefined chart of accounts. Zoho Books comes with a pre-configured chart of accounts, which is a list of all the financial accounts used to record your business transactions. These accounts are organized into categories like assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. This provides a structured framework for your double entry system. You can also customize this chart of accounts to suit the specific needs of your projects. Intuitive transaction forms. The platform provides user-friendly forms for recording various financial transactions. For example, when you create an invoice, Zoho Books automatically handles the debit to accounts receivable, an asset representing money owed to you, and the credit to sales revenue, an equity account. Similarly, when you record an expense, it handles the debit to the relevant expense account and the credit to your cash or bank account. Real-time financial insights. Because every transaction is recorded using double entry, Zoho Books can provide you with real-time insights into your project's financial performance through its dashboards and reports. You can instantly see your outstanding invoices, expenses, profitability, and cash flow, empowering you to make timely decisions. Project-specific accounting. Zoho Books allows you to associate income and expenses with specific projects. This means that the underlying double entry system tracks the financial performance of each project individually, providing valuable insights into project profitability and cost management. You can generate project-specific profit and loss statements to understand which projects are contributing the most to your bottom line. Integration with other Zoho applications. If you're already using other Zoho applications like Zoho CRM or Zoho Projects, the seamless integration with Zoho Books further streamlines your project management workflow. For instance, you can automatically pull invoicing information from Zoho CRM into Zoho Books, ensuring consistent and accurate financial records. Demystifying common concerns. Some users new to accounting software might have a few lingering questions about Zoho Books and double entry. Do I need to be an accountant to use Zoho Books effectively? While understanding basic accounting principles is helpful, Zoho Books is designed to be user-friendly for non-accountants.